How to change Instagram profile picture without changing Facebook profile picture. So first step is of course to open your Instagram application. Tap on your profile tab on the bottom right corner and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner. Click on settings, proceed to account, click on sharing to other apps. And in here, you will see that you have connected your Instagram account to your Facebook account. So you have to disconnect this, and once you change your Instagram profile picture, it will not affect your Facebook profile picture anymore. So tap on Facebook, and here tap on Account Center. In this page, click on Accounts, and here tap on Remove, click on Continue, and remove your Facebook account. So that is how you are able to change Instagram profile picture without changing Facebook profile picture. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.